We're back with part 2 of our Dubai Chewy Cookies review series. So far, halos over 20 versions na natry namin this past 6 weeks, kaya abot na ng part 5 to. Ito yung rankings namin from part 1 where we reviewed 5 different versions ng Dubai Chewy Cookies. For part 2, we're reviewing 5 new stores ng DCCs and we'll still be using our certified foodies rankings. Start tayo sa Mochi Pistachio Crunch from Conti's. Super excited kami when Conti's finally announced that they have their own version of the viral chewy cookie. We love their pistachio crunch cakes, so we ordered their chewy cookies agad-agad. We got extra pistachio sauce kasi gusto namin matry with their chewy cookies. Isa sila sa mga mochi ang gamit na shell kasi most sellers use marshmallows. Sakto na yung size ng chewy cookie nila. Maraming cocoa powder. The mochi shell is soft, sticky, and stretchy. But unfortunately, natabangan kami sa kanya. Even the cocoa powder didn't help kasi we didn't taste any chocolate flavor. Now, the pistachio filling, siksik naman siya, but it's not as flavorful as we expected. Super light pistachio flavor, but the crunch is there naman. It's not too dry, pero di rin ganun ka-creamy. Tapos may pistachio bits yung filling. We tried pouring yung pistachio sauce hoping na it will help add flavor. But medyo di siya nag-work for us. Kasi wala masyadong chocolate flavor overall that supposedly magka-complement dun sa pistachio sauce gaya nung sa cake nila. So if di ka mahilig sa matamis and mas bet mo yung malambot yung shell, baka magustuhan mo to. But verdict namin, it's not for me. Especially with its price na 200 plus each. Dubai Chewy Cookies from Atelier Amili. Since we started trying Dubai Chewy Cookies, may lumalabas yung ads nila sa feed ko. So we just had to try them kasi ang daming positive reviews. In fairness, ang ganda ng packaging and presentation nila. May pagka-premium siya. Tapos yung Dubai Chewy Cookies nila, sakto lang yung size. Generously coated ng cocoa powder, then may gold dust on top kaya ang ganda tignan. Their marshmallow shell is soft and stretchy. Tama lang din yung thickness. Filling is crunchy and creamy and you can really taste the pistachio flavor. Di siya ganun kasiksik pero it's enough naman to keep its round shape. Tamang-tama lang yung sweetness and well-balanced naman with the marshmallow and toasted katayfi din. Recommended din to sa mga di mahilig sa matamis. We also tried their matcha chewy cookie. May matcha powder coating siya, but the overall taste is mas chocolatey for us. Na-overpowered ng chocolate crunchy filling inside yung matcha flavor. Parang hint lang yung matcha nung nalasahan namin. We enjoyed naman the chocolate flavor, pero di lang siya pasadong matcha chewy cookie for us. We also tried their Biscoff flavor. Creamy, soft, and chewy rin siya. Lasang-lasa yung Biscoff, pero di nakakaumay yung tamis. Para kang nagpapapak ng Biscoff crunch na spread, ganun. So if you love Biscoff, you'll surely enjoy this. We also tried their brownies, but we'll have a separate review for that. For their Dubai Chewy Cookie, we're giving it a highly recommended ranking kasi nasarapan kami sa kanya. Next is Dubai Chewy Cookies from Craze Coffee. We found them through video reviews we saw online. We ordered their pistachio kanafor, Dubai Chewy Cookie, and their Biscoff and Nutella flavors then. Cute yung packaging nila. Simple, but ang bright tingnan. Medyo malaki yung chewy cookies nila for its price na 100 each. Tapos mabigat siya. Marami ring cocoa powder na nagustuhan ko kasi it's not too bitter. The marshmallow shell is sakto lang yung pagka-stretchy and yung pagkalambot. Medyo matigas yung filling so inisip ko na baka siksik kasi. Pero the filling inside, we were surprised by how dry it was kasi yung mga nakita naming videos, creamy yung filling. All the chewy cookies we got from Craze, powdery yung filling sa texture and itsura. We barely tasted any pistachio flavor. Puro tamis lang yung nakuha naming lasa. Yung lasa niya parang yung chocolates na you'll find sa Dali. We even tried warming it up kasi baka mag-improve, but naging super sticky lang and didn't improve the flavor. Anyway, we also tried the Nutella chewy cookies. Malambot siya and creamy yung filling. Pero medyo parang dark chocolate na may bitter na smoky flavor yung lasa. It's not too Nutella for me, parang mas dark Goya chocolate yung lasa. Medyo okay naman siya for us. Then yung Biscoff flavor, medyo siksik din siya. Lasang-lasa yung Biscoff flavor tapos creamy and malambot. But we're only ranking the Dubai Chewy Cookie version and it's not for me. Sana ma-improve nila para consistently creamy and mas lasang pistachio yung filling nila. Next is Pistachio Katayfi Chewy Cookies from Bueno Barks. Yung Dubai Chewy Cookies nila yung isang inaabangan ko talaga kaya I waited patiently for my order kasi sobrang in demand siya. Maganda ang packaging as in pinag-isipan talaga. Each order comes with extra cocoa powder for free. I love na reusable yung gamit nilang containers din. Mabigat yung chewy cookies nila, hefty as expected given the price. Each one is generously coated with cocoa powder. Yung marshmallow shell nila, not too stretchy but not too soft din. Di naman matigas when you bite into it. Sakto lang din yung pagka-thick ng shell. Siksik siya sa filling but still soft to the touch. The filling is really creamy and not too sweet. Ang sarap ng pagka-crunch din ng katayfi. You can really taste the pistachio flavor. Sa sobrang dami ng cocoa powder, ang sarap i-dip every bite. We tried warming it up kasi sobrang lambot naman, so mas okay na wag na lang kaming gayahin. We also tried the crunchy katayfi pistachio chocolate bar but we'll have a separate video review for that. Yung Dubai Chewy Cookies nila, highly recommended namin. Finally, Jonduk or Dubai Chewy Cookies from the Daily Bakes. Yung chewy cookies nila yung isa sa mga pinakasikat. So super excited kami to try their take on it plus their chocolate bars. First impressions, ang ganda ng packaging. Yung colors and bag nila remind me of Blue Magic. Reusable din yung box nila and ang presentable talaga. May gold flakes and gold dust on top ng chewy cookies tapos generous din sila sa cocoa powder. Medyo mabigat and hefty yung mga chewy cookies nila, sakto lang for the price. The marshmallow shell is soft and maganda rin yung stretch. Sakto lang din yung thickness ng shell. Grabe yung pagka-creamy ng filling. It's on the sweeter side but lasang-lasa mo pa rin yung pistachio flavor. Naka-counter kasi ng cocoa powder yung tamis, as it should. Ang sarap ng crunch and yung pistachio filling nito. Well-balanced talaga siya. Kaya super gets na namin why sobrang in demand ng chewy cookies nila. We also can't wait to share with you yung review namin ng pistachio katay female chocolate bar nila soon. The Daily Bakes Dubai Chewy Cookie easily goes up to our oh my god ranking kasi oh my god talaga ako. Must try talaga. So ito na yung final rankings namin for part 2 ng Dubai Chewy Cookie review series na to. Sa next video, here's the list ng mga Dubai Chewy cookies na i-review namin. See you sa part 3!